You ever notice on the show The First 48, all the suspects that confess never have a lawyer with them? That's because a lawyer would never let them confess to a crime. It's crazy to create evidence against yourself, and yet they always waive their right to remain silent and confess to the crime. If you understood the long fight in the courts to get the right to have an attorney when you are questioned by the police, you would always ask for an attorney. For much of American history, the Supreme Court was silent on the Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Police often use beatings and coercive tactics to obtain confessions from mostly black suspects, and rarely, if ever, were those tactics questioned. Finally, in the case called Brown versus Mississippi, the Supreme Court started to put limits on the police during interrogations. In March of 1934 in Mississippi, a white man lost his life. The sheriff went to the home of a black man named Arthur Ellington. Arthur was questioned about the crime and denied having anything to do with it. The police and the crowded white man then hung Arthur from a tree and performed 3 mock executions on him. After that, he was tied to the tree and whipped. He still didn't confess, so they let him go. He was arrested a day later and whipped until he confessed.